Dumpster rental service in Belvidere, Tennessee. Freedom Dumpster is your go-to provider for dumpster rental service in Belvidere, Tennessee. We offer a straightforward solution for managing debris, ensuring a smooth cleanup process for homeowners, contractors, and businesses. Our dumpsters are perfect for cleaning up after renovations, landscaping projects, or significant events. Keeping properties clean and organized is essential, and our rental service efficiently manages waste. We understand the need for reliable and timely service, so we prioritize on-time delivery and pickup. Our rental process is seamless, making it easy to secure the right dumpster for your project. No matter the duration of your cleanup, we offer flexible rental periods to meet your needs. Our team is always available to assist with selecting the best option for your waste disposal requirements. Customer satisfaction is at the core of everything we do. We take care of waste so you can focus on what matters most. With prompt service, competitive pricing, and dependable support, we aim to exceed expectations with every rental. Don't let junk pile up. Rent a dumpster today with our hassle-free process. Call 931-307-1231 to book your dumpster rental. Freedom Dumpster, keeping Belvidere clean and clutter-free.